beauties, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and I love this new Urban Decay foundation and the little lip tints. I started wearing them on Friday. It is now Sunday. I've worn them every single day. I actually, on Friday when I filmed my first impression and full review wear test, I slept in it overnight, and yesterday morning I woke up and it looked flawless still, so kudos to this Just Naked or Stay Naked foundation. I'm obsessed with it, and even the little lip tints, even though the streak is not quite as orange as I would have liked, it's stunning and I love it so much, and it's so comfortable on the lips. So yeah, let's stop rambling and move along. I'm going to be unboxing August Boxycharm. If you are unfamiliar with Boxycharm, it is a $25 monthly subscription where you will receive 5 full-size makeup and beauty type items. And of course, I don't get spoilers. I never get spoilers, so I make it a point not to. So first thing I see is a Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. That is what the outer carton looks like. I don't really use loose powders, so I'm probably not going to try this either. Sorry for blinding you all. So that is what it looks like. Of course, it is a full size, and it just says Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I may try it just because it says Hydra Mist, meaning it should have some form of water or kind of luminosity to it. So we'll see. Let me know if you've tried it and if you like it or not. Next up is a Tarte Big Ego full-size mascara. I love Tarte products. I actually have not tried any of their mascaras, I don't think, but I love everything else that they carry. I will not try it or open it, but their packaging is bomb as hell. It reminds me of 80s, and it's pretty heavy and substantial, and I love the color, as you can tell. So that's really cool. I like that a lot. I should tell you the theme. It's Totally, which screams 80s or 90s to me. Next up is a Steve Laurent, I'm gonna guess lip pencil, in the shade Vogue. It doesn't actually say, it just says Steve Laurent. Probably not gonna mess with that either. Next up is a Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Now that is something I can get into. I love, 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 love face oils, hydrating oils, hair oils, any kind of oils pretty much. So I will definitely try this. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Oh, that is cool. I don't know if you have to, oh! So it's a really pretty kind of pearlescent pink. That's really pretty. Maybe I'll put some, kind of smells like a little bit of a strong perfume. It has a little bit of luminosity to it, like a pearl essence to it. Hopefully you can see that. And I'll just put it on my hands. And we'll just see what it feels like. It doesn't feel oily. It actually feels almost like a water or like a serum, and it dried right into the skin, and it feels really nice. So I'm excited to try this. I will definitely try it on my skin, on my face. Gently squeeze to release 2 to 3 illuminating face oil onto your fingertips. Da, 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 da. Okay, so I'm excited about that one. Yay, score. And then next up, I guess this is considered one. This is by Ace Beauty. They are Glimmer Shadows in the shade Ice Latte and Cotton Candy. So one is kind of a really pretty bronzy shade, and one is kind of like a coppery peach shade. That's actually really pretty. I love Super Shock shadows from ColourPop. Oh my god. That is stunning. Okay, I'm excited to try these as well. I will Oh, it has like a lot of green and gold reflex to it too. Holy shit, that is pretty. Okay, so I love this. That's stunning. I will 100% keep these and try these. Let me swatch the other one for you. This one is the Iced Latte. Again, it's like a cool kind of coppery golden shade. These feel almost exactly like Super Shock. Maybe not quite so smushy, if that makes any sense. And they actually look beautiful together. These are really stunning. I definitely would use this one now, and then this one and this one both in the fall time. But I think they're absolutely beautiful. I'm excited about that. Overall, I think this is a pretty bomb box. I wouldn't say it's like my favorite box we've ever gotten from Boxycharm, but I'm pretty excited about it. So let's see. The Becca, I'm going to maybe try one time. I'll put a little bit on my hand and kind of see how it diffuses out. The Ace Beauty shadows, super duper excited to try these actually on my lids. I love Super Shock shadows, so I have high hopes for that. The Tarte, like I've said a million times, I have probably 8 to 10 mascaras that I've yet to try that are still unopened, so maybe I'll try it as my next one to try in my first impressions full face thing. The Wonder Beauty Illuminating Oil, super excited about. Will 100% be using that. And then the Steve Laurent, I guess, lip pencil, I probably will not use. I don't use lip pencils all the time, and I do have quite a few. So let's read up about everything. Overall, really excited. Super, super excited. All right, the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. This weightless powder sets and refreshes your makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and a comfortable feel. And it is $39. I think because it may not dry me out, and maybe it might be talc-free if it's saying that it's got water and glycerin in it. Talc is what dries us out, so especially if you have more mature, aging skin, dry skin, you want to kind of avoid products that like the first ingredient is talc in them. So maybe I will try it and keep it and see what it does. The Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. This multitasking, beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin. I 100% agree with that. And if it reacts the same way on the hand as it does on the skin, on the face, I think I'm really going to like it. Absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. This lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore your skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. This spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time, and that is $42. Okay, well, I'm very excited about using that product as well. The Tarte Big Ego Mascara, an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. And that is $23. I'm really excited to try that. I love mascaras. I'm actually, I don't know if you guys can tell, I am wearing the Maybelline Snap Mascara in the blue today. I've really been wearing this pretty much all summer when I do wear makeup, and I love it. The Steve Laurent Lip Liner, it is a lip liner. Reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding, and lasts 7 hours, and that's $15. I may actually try it then, since it is a more like kind of nudie taupe shade. So I will keep this and I will try this and also update you on that. Yeah, I think overall, I mean, just the Steve Laurent lip liner was 15 bucks. The Glimmer, I missed the Ace Beauty. The Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo. High pigmented, soft shadows with a creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe, with no fallout, creasing, or fading, and it is $25 for both. So just these two shadows pays for the entire thing, and I am really stoked. I wish I didn't have makeup on my face already, and I would have put these on. So overall, actually, I'm pretty damn thrilled. I actually am going to open up this powder and try it on my hand and just see how it feels. And Becca has beautiful packaging. Everything they do always has packaging. Keep me closed to keep me cool. Well, that's neat. If I can figure out how to open it up. Okay. So it has like the little top lid. Let's get ready for some peel pouring, y'all. Ah, that sound never gets old. Okay, I think I'm just gonna stick my finger. Oh, that feels very strange. It does almost feel wet. That's really weird. But it's got like the little mesh thing to keep it from falling out. And I'm literally just going to put a tiny bit on my hand. Oh, it does feel wet. That is really strange. But it feels really cool too. Huh. So you're probably not going to be able to tell exactly what it looks like. But it does feel much different from any other powder I've ever felt. I am actually pretty excited to try this. I'm going to take my little brush and I'm going to put a little bit under my eyes real quick and just see. That is so strange, you guys. It literally does feel very wet. That is really cool. I will have to see how this little tiny bit wears, and I will set my face one day when I do like a first impressions. But it is quite different. It is quite weird, but like in a really cool, funky way. It does feel wet. Okay, I'm excited about that. I'm kind of blown away a little bit. It's wigging me out some. Okay, so we're gonna keep it closed. Okay, really excited. I think Super Mom Box. I'm excited to try every single product here. So I will update you guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video at all, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you'll tap the notification bell, I'd be more grateful and thankful. And please always remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.